Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're walking through everything you need to know about setting and controlling the temperature on your Hisense refrigerator. Whether your model has a digital control panel or a simple manual knob, you'll know exactly how to adjust your cooling by the end of this tutorial. The models that come with a digital display. These are the easiest to manage because the temperature changes with just a tap. To adjust the fridge compartment, press the button labeled Fridge. Every time you press it, the temperature drops by 1 degree Celsius. For everyday use, keeping the fridge at around 5 degrees is a great balance between freshness and energy efficiency. It keeps food crisp without overworking the appliance. Many Hisense models also include a feature called the My Fresh Choice compartment. This zone is extremely flexible. It lets you set temperatures anywhere between -5 degrees Celsius and -18 degrees Celsius, depending on what you need to store. If you want a little extra freezing space or need softer cooling for certain foods, this zone adapts perfectly. Now let's talk about the freezer. On Hisense digital panel models, the freezer temperature usually ranges from -15 degrees Celsius to -25 degrees Celsius. If you're storing a lot of frozen foods or bulk meat, the lower end of this range gives you deep freeze performance. If you want to save energy or keep things from freezing rock solid, a slightly higher setting works just fine. The key is balancing efficiency with what you actually store. If your fridge doesn't have a digital screen and instead comes with a manual control knob, the setup is a bit different, but still easy once you know how it works. You'll usually find this dial at the back of the fridge compartment. The numbers on the knob range from 1 to 7. Number 1 is the warmest, and number 7 is the coldest. For most households, keeping it between 2 and 4 maintains stable, even cooling without putting unnecessary strain on the compressor. There are two important details to remember with knob-controlled models. First, the off position stops the cooling cycle, but it does not cut power to the fridge, so don't use that unless you're intentionally shutting down the cooling system. And second, using levels like 6 or 7 during very hot weather may cause the compressor to run nonstop. That means higher electricity usage and extra wear on the appliance, so only crank it up when you absolutely need stronger cooling. Once you understand what each setting does, adjusting your Hisense fridge becomes simple. Just choose the temperature that matches your storage needs and your appliance will handle the rest. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy appliance walkthroughs and home tech tips. And I'll see you in the next one. Happy Hisense using!